Hi. So I found out that vitamin D is very essential vitamin in your diet. You definitely need vitamin D through one way or another. And if you feel like you're not having a good healthy diet, you need to have vitamin D in the pill forms as well. So what it does, it makes your teeth and your bones and your immune system really strong. And the research shows that it has been found out that there is a condition called MS or multiple sclerosis, in which you just wake up in the morning or anytime and you get a blind eye. You can't see through one eye, or it even alternates. Like, I have seen patients, they go blind one eye on one day, and another day or another month they are blind in the other eye. So it can alternate, or they can have paralysis in one arm on one month, or paralysis of the one foot on the other month, and so on and so forth. So vitamin D has been found out to reduce the incidence of MS in that regard, and it also boosts your immune system and helps you fight certain infectious diseases and certain other autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or type 1 diabetes, or IBD, which is the gut condition. I don't want to go into the details of those conditions, but it helps you fight a lot of medical problems. So try to have a good healthy diet. And if you feel like you're not having a good healthy diet, which is quite likely these days because people are not taking the best balanced diet, and it's not the most natural form of diet that we are getting these days. So that leads to vitamin D deficiencies, and that's why you see so much increase in the incidence of these medical conditions that you never heard of in the past. Now they're getting more and more frequent. So vitamin D helps you fight those conditions. And the research shows that some people have FMR, fibromyalgia rheumatica, in which you have pain and aches and pains in your muscles, and your bones hurt and things like that. So people who take vitamin D on regular basis, they have lesser and lesser incidence of FMR. They have lesser and lesser incidence of anxiety and depression and mood disorders. And they did a study on 7,534 people, and they found out that people who were taking vitamin D, they had those people, they showed improvement in the negative emotions. So if you're taking vitamin D on a regular basis, you have lesser and lesser chance of having problems of negative emotions, which are leading towards suicidality or depression and anxiety and PTSD, and name a negative emotion. There will be so many negative emotions around you. You are fighting all the time, let's say. Those are kind of negative emotions and things like that. So try to incorporate a healthy diet that includes vitamin D in it, And another research found out that, vitamin D helps maintain a good figure of yours. So if you are trying to lose weight, having vitamin D in your diet is extremely essential, because research found out the correlation between vitamin D deficiency or low levels of vitamin D and being obese. So people who are obese, they have been found out to have low levels of vitamin D, and taking vitamin D caused diuresis and caused low chances, or reduce the chances of having obesity. So please try to have a healthy lifestyle, live happy, live healthy, and live long. Thank you so much. Bye.